Hey, let's see how we can save some money on upgrading, and this time by migrating Redis OSS ElastiCache clusters to Valkey. So you have two primary deployment options for ElastiCache clusters in AWS. First one is serverless, and second one is node-based or provision. And you also have three engine options. So first one is Redis OSS, Memcached, and the last one is Valkey, which was released in late 2024. And so ElastiCache for Valkey introduces significant enhancements to Redis while retaining its core functionality, making it more powerful and versatile. And on FinOps side, on-demand ElastiCache for Valkey serverless is priced 33% lower compared to Redis OSS serverless, and on-demand ElastiCache for Valkey node-based is priced 20% lower compared to Redis node-based. You also have other benefits on the FinOps side, which is, for example, lower storage minimums. So ElastiCache serverless for Valkey has a minimum data storage of 100 megabytes, which is 90% lower than the 1 gigabyte minimum for Redis OSS. You can also save lots of money with memory efficiency and rightsizing because Valkey versions 8 and above reduce memory usage by approximately 20 to 40% per key compared to Redis OSS. And this improvement often allows you to downsize your node types, for let's say, for example, from r7g.xlarge to r7g.large. And so potentially you can yield up to 60% total savings. And also, AWS facilitates the migration with reserved instance portability, meaning that existing Redis OSS reserved nodes automatically apply to Valkey nodes within the same instance family and region. And because of the lower Valkey rate, a single Redis reservation can cover more Valkey usage. So for example, a reservation for 5 Redis nodes can cover 6 Valkey nodes. To list your Redis OSS caches, simply go to the ElastiCache service and then click on Redis OSS caches to list them. And so to retrieve all your cost optimizations, you can create an Athena query on your cur or focus file, and you have to look on Redis costs and replicas. The fix will be intermediate effort because you have to upgrade to Valkey. So first, create a Valkey cluster with same settings as your Redis cluster, so same node type, number of nodes, and region. Then use Redis replication and wait for synchronizations to complete. Verify data integrity by comparing keys between Redis and Valkey. Update your application to point to the new Valkey endpoint. And finally, once confirmed that Valkey is working correctly, do not forget to delete the old Redis cluster to avoid double billing.